Guys, what's up? So I feel like I haven't done like videos in a while, and I really haven't because time consuming, a lot of stuff. You need a lot of time to do these videos if you are a YouTuber, and you know what I mean. But anyways, I wanted to show you guys the new I Want It All set for GTC 2020. Unfortunately, due to the coronavirus, the event got canceled. Otherwise, I would have been in Las Vegas and sharing with you guys all the the events, everything we're doing with my partners, with our team, and trying samples and just trying everything, and then basically seeing all the new products that are coming out. But what I ended up doing is I then purchased the product online, which you can. So you can buy the I Want It All set for all the Arbonne consultants. But if you wanted to order it directly from me, if you're not a consultant, you could have done that too. Obviously, the event's over now. I just want to show you guys what you get in these I Want It All sets because it's really amazing. You get them at 50 even more % off, plus you get free products, plus you get free shipping. So it's like a best ass deal you can get, because you can buy it individually, but sometimes you get things in the set itself that you cannot get when you buy it individually. And even if you add it up individually, you'll still save you more because it's at a greater discount. So, as you know, Arbonne is very much about sustainability, about the planet, about skincare, about, healthy living inside and out and all that. And if you guys don't know, let me know, because I'm willing to share everything about the company. I love the company. I think I've been with the company 4 to 5 years, and I have not turned back and said, seen another company does what Arbonne does. So with that in mind, I just wanted to show you guys stuff that I bought and things that I enjoy about the company and why it's such a great company to be part of. I make great friends and motivators, speakers. They support me all the time, and when good training, when I need help in something, they're there for you. And it doesn't matter if it's from here or the other side of the state, or they're in New York and everything, they're all willing to come and help you. So the I Want It All set comes in the package. It says I want it all. The first thing I want to show you is you get this little green baggie. It's all about living green with Arbonne. So this is only with the I Want It All set. So that's the difference. Like, you'll get stuff that you cannot buy separately. They might later might send it out, but obviously you're not getting it at the same price. So you get this little bag, and you get stuff in the bag. Let's see what's in it. I literally just opened everything today as well. So you get this little water bottle. But you're saying, it's very tiny. But actually, you can make it bigger. Oh, and I closed it here. That's why the air is like this. So you can make it bigger, and obviously it's about, saving the planet and everything. So reusable. You don't have to go out and, buy water bottles. Just put your water in here and take it with you. And easily, washable as well. Oh, it's still brand new, so it has a little thing in there. But it's nice. It's nice that this came, and it's about going green, of course. And Arbonne, it's all about Arbonne. That's one thing. The other thing that came with it is this little thing right here. Very cute, huh? And I like this because it's small. The other ones I've had is like the whole basically straw that goes inside my bag, and sometimes it's just this big old thing in there. But I like that this is collapsible. So let's open this. It's my first time opening it as well. Let's see here. Whoa! So here is the straw that you get. And within the straw as well, obviously if you're going out, you need to wash it, right? So you got this little washer, little thing that you can wash through it. This way it goes. You can wash it. So you get all this cute little set in this little baggie. Let me put this here. Actually, I'll put it on later. I don't want this video to go long. So I'll put this on top of here. All right, next. You get these little bags. So again, saving plastic. Now I know you're saying it's plastic, but this is where you put all your snacks now. You don't have to be buying Ziplocs or anything like that. You buy these. So you get the little ones, like for snacks, and then some big ones maybe for sandwiches or something else. And I wanted to buy these a while back because I saw somebody had them. And I'm like, that's a great idea, because I really don't use plastic, like Ziploc bags, really. And I use like the containers with me, but sometimes the containers are a bit hard and I want to be able to fold it, and I couldn't do that with those. So with this, I can definitely just put it in, and I'm gonna show you how to do this. There you go. Just put it in, whatever I want, and I can like roll it up and just put it in my bag. I could fold it up if I want. So that's what I like about this. So again, less plastic, green, that's Arbonne. I I'm going to emphasize that to you guys because I want you guys to know what it is about Arbonne's not just about makeup and skincare and fizz sticks. It's a lot more than that. Okay, the next thing is the back. My understanding, these are going to be replacing all the nutrition little servings. You know, when you get like a protein powder or a container or something, the little plastic scoops in there. Well, these are going to replace everything from Arbonne. I don't know when it's going to happen, but all plastic's going to go away from Arbonne. Again, that's a good thing. You know, reduce sustainability. So you have one, just a little thing here. I might have to, yeah, it's like a zip tie, so I might have to cut it, but there's one for the calm, which I have to show you. It's called the inner calm. There's one for your protein. Let's see. There's one for your green balance. So that's the scoop for that. There is another one. Let's see. I can't go through these. Yeah, for your shakes, for sure. And what's the other one? Let's see the other one. What is this one? Oh, I can't see. Oh, your fiber boost. So you got all of these to use. So they're replacements for all of your scoops for all of the nutrition products. So these are really nice. So again, reduce. And all this comes in your little bag. And this only comes with the I want it all set. So let me put this all back in now. Put this to the side. And I'm the type that I always try to find ways to save in wherever I can in terms of helping the planet. So this is one thing that really attracted me more to the company as well, because they do that. It's like 50% this, and less that. And this is a great one too. They came out with new shampoos and conditioner. So I know you say these are tiny, but they're concentrated. So you get 40 washes for each of these. So that's another way to, you know, reduce plastic and basically. And one comes in apricot. Let me see, this one's the shower gel. This is an apricot. And then this is another shower gel, which is the apple. Sorry, I thought they were shampoos, but they're not. They're not, they're just shower gels. So you just need a little drop and you'll get a full lather on it. So 40 washes per each. And I have opened it, but they smell really, really good. Let me get in closer so you guys can see. And I like, since I'm a gym rat, the fact that they're tiny, I love that because I could just put them in my gym bag and take off. All right, that's that. Next is the new hairstyle stuff. It's called True Style. So you get the definition curl, but let me show you the little set you get. You get all this, 3. So the curl cream, basically this is obviously if you have a lot of curl, it really makes it really nice and texturized and really nice and pretty. I'm giving some away to my friends that have curly hair, you know, samples so they can try it, but I can use it in terms of like putting it on my ends. So let's say I want some loose curls, because I do like to curl my hair with like a 1.5 inch curling iron, and then it generally goes flat because you can see my hair's pretty straight, but when I curl it, it still wants to get that straightness. So once I start using this, it's going to give me like a nice loose curl still, but will hold it really good. And then the other one is, let's see here, this is the texturizing pomade, obviously for texturizing more. So guys will love it. Girls with like short hair, they're gonna love it. It's gonna really nice and texturize it. I used to use pomade a lot when I curl my hair as well, just to give it some shine a little bit and just to hold a little more instead of using a lot of hairspray. So I would use this as well. And then the last one, which I just used too, and it smells so good, is the antifreeze dry oil. So when I actually use it because I have like a lot of fly little, you know, what do you call it? Like the little fly hairs that I have a lot, and like baby hairs as well. So I just literally, I know it's like small, but I literally put like a little drop, and it gave me enough to just go through my hair here. And it smells so nice. That's what I like about Arbonne, the smell. For me, smells another thing. Like I like fruity smells. I like the peaches, the apricots. It's so nice. It feels really good. And I like this because it's also dry oil, so it's not gonna be greasy on my hair like some other products are. All right, so that's the hair part. The next one, which is going to be part of my regular routine, I believe, especially the one I'm going to show you, it's basically the Intercom Adaptogenic, because I work out a lot. Although I don't feel stressed at work, when I work out, I'm putting stress on my body, and I really don't sometimes physically or mentally feel it. Like, I don't feel like exhausted and stuff, but I know my body when it's stressed out, because sometimes I can't sleep. I wake up in the middle of the night, or I might sleep throughout the day. And I had it one time where I pushed myself so much during gym, and although I was eating right, it was my sleep. My sleep just messed me up. My sleep messed up the way my body was, the composition of my body, the way things I wanted to do. My sleep really messed me up. I'm focusing at work, even driving. Sometimes I have to stop and just take a nice nap because I was tired. Although I would wake up at 2, 3 in the morning. I had no idea why, and then I would fall asleep again like 4 o'clock, and then wake up, like half an hour later that I have to get up and early go to work. So I really try to find ways to give myself a good sleep, like adding magnesium, maybe taking a week off from workout, even though that's hard for me, but I have to, because sleep is so important. It's a priority, I feel like, when you're into like healthy living and working out and stuff. So this is the set. It's called stress it's for stress. Basically, it's a sensitive subject, right? But it's called the Intercom set. So I'm going to show you what the Intercom set comes with, and look at it. It's so pretty. I love the colors. This is like my logo colors. I love it, like this teal color. Really pretty. I really like it. So it comes with, basically it's a super calm set. I don't know if you guys know about the calm that we currently have, but this is going to end up replacing it. And this is for, I believe it's going to be an addition. So this is for people who are extra sensitive people. So let me pull each of these out here. All right. So you have the super calm vegan cleansing milk, and something about this is you don't have to use water. You can do it just on your face, and that's fine itself. So another reason is reducing water. So, and also everything's vegan, just everything in Arbonne vegan, cruelty free, so another win for me. So let's see. So that's the cleanser. This is extra sensitive skin, and I kind of have medium, sometimes sensitive. Certain areas are very sensitive than others. Let's see, and this one is the Super Calm Relief Serum. So this is the serum. I'm actually out of serum too, so I'm going to start using these products as well for my skin. So that's the serum. And let me get this little thing, that way I can explain to you a little bit more. So yeah, so the cleansing milk, let's see, it soothes the skin with this milky, non-foaming cleanser with agave. Can't say that right. Agave blend that helps support the skin's moisture barrier. It leaves the skin layers soothing. It leaves a soothing layer over the skin, so it feels protected, calm, and hydrated. Because especially, like, I know summer's coming, but like during the winter, my skin gets dry. I can feel it, definitely. So I'm glad I have stuff like that. Okay, and then the other one, the serum, let's see. Yeah, helps improve the appearance of the skin, texture, and tone. So that's good. And then let's see, this one, the Super Calm Soothing Hydrate with Tiger Grass Blend. So that's the super hydration. Let's read about this. So let's see, moisture barrier with this lightweight lotion that features Tiger Grass Blend to support the skin balance with soothing the comforting skin. So this has agave, I can't say this word, agave shea blend, Tiger Grass Blend, and probiotic lysate. So that's those three. So the one that I want to really start incorporating into myself is the Intercom Adaptogenic De-Stress Powder. This is it. This is a powder. This is going to be something I'm going to be recommending to all my clients, everybody I basically work with, because I am also a health coach. So I'm going to be giving samples to them. If you want a sample, please let me know. I'm willing to mail this to you as long as it's in the US. So this has, let's see, it's a daily feature supplements, sustainably sourced. It has ashwagandha as the adaptogenic, along with sustainability sourced saffron, which will help your body adapt to stress by temporarily promoting a balanced mindset. So it has 30 servings. 130 would be nice. 30 servings. So I'm basically gonna start using that one more. I would say post workouts for sure, and I'm gonna see the difference, how it feels in my body, how I sleep better, how I wake up. You know, I'm gonna see how that goes. All right, so that's that. The next one is we got 2 new lip duos, and if you don't know what the lip duos are, basically you get 2 colors in one. One will always be like a matte, and the other one will always be like a shimmer type. So this one is the Fleur, pretty pinkish. Yeah, there you go. So you get 2 different colors. Again, all vegan, cruelty free. And then the other one is called Blooms, a little bit darker, which I think I'm gonna like this one more. I like a little bit more dark, a little bit more darkerish, pinkish colors, kind of burgundy. Look at that. Okay. I'll do another video on each of these colors. You can see it on my skin tone. I'm, you know, Hispanic, but my skin tone is kind of like, I would say like ivory yellowish, not so much like darker there. Especially I haven't been going out that much because of the coronavirus. All right, with that in mind, let's see what else we have in here. Oh, you also get the Arbonne Essential Ginger Green Tea. So you only get this with the I Want It All set, from my understanding. And it has ginger root, green tea leaf, licorice root, elder flower, sweet fennel. I mean, it's really good stuff. My understanding from the herbal detox is caffeine free. I'm not seeing that here, so I'm gonna read about it if it is caffeine free. I can drink caffeine, just limited amount basically. But you get this with this, and it has like this citrusy green tea flavor, and the adaptogenic powder is more like a peachy flavor from what I was told. And then Arbonne came out with 2 new, well, it's not new, but they finally did an addition of the fizz. We have pomegranate and citrus. So now they added one that's permanent, and that is the strawberry. And I haven't tried it yet, but I can't wait to try it. So you get 2 of these within I Want It All. So that's a great thing about the I Want It All sets, because you end up getting 2 sometimes, you know, sets of the same thing. So you get 2 of these, and these are amazing. Energy replacing caffeine. Although I do drink caffeine here and there, but sometimes throughout the day I need to drink more water, so I use that. And then I noticed the packaging is different too than the ones that we usually get. We came out with a new one called the Strawberry Protein Shake. And this is the one I can't wait to try it, because I like strawberry. You see my Instagram strawberry all the time. My husband just left right now. So strawberry protein, you can do so many things like strawberry balls, protein balls, bars. I mean, just so many things with strawberry, especially when you have strawberry protein. Vegan, plant-based, 20 grams of protein. It's delicious. It mixes so well just with water. That's what I like about the product, because it mixes well. I've tried other ones and they're very grainy. Even when I mix it really well, it's very grainy. So the other thing I got, which is another freebie, was I got a counter spot essence. So basically this helps in the dark spots and like skin and the scars. So it's really, really nice, because we do have other like the cleansing pads, but this is like target specific areas. And for me, I do have little sunspots here. I'm getting 40, guys, so for me, I definitely want to, you know, take care of my skin wherever possible. So this is really nice. I get an extra of this. I bought it already and I really like how it feels. I mean, it smells so nice too. That's what I like about it. So this was free shipping. I got my little green bag here for free. Those are things you can't get unfortunately when you buy it separately, except this one, you can get it separately. But if you're interested, if you want to try any of the products, let me know. I can definitely help you on getting 20% off the products plus free products. And if you want to be part of this company, it's an amazing company, which I feel like I just love. Let's talk, let's chat. You want to know, you have more questions about it, you know, let's just talk. There's nothing you can really like say like what's the point of it, you know. There's so many good things about it, and I know sometimes if you Google the company, you might see all this stuff, but just know Google always has the good and the bad. I mean, you can just Google headache and you'll get so many things from it, you know. So I don't want to make this video long, which I'm probably am already, but I hope you like this. I want it all open box type of thing. I really want to do more of these now that I have a bit more time, because I'm working from home, but obviously from home I'm here. Before it's like I'm driving literally an hour all the way to get my stuff. Alright guys, have a good one. Bye.